family and friends, and welcome to Coco's channel. Today, guys, today is clean out my refrigerator day. So that's what we're gonna do. All right. So, guys, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, now is a great time to do so. All you have to do is click the subscribe button, guys, and you will be amongst the most beautiful family. The notification bell, you click on that and it will notify you of any new and upcoming videos that I release. So, guys, without any further ado, we're going to get into this clean with me video, cleaning out this refrigerator. I have my bleach water there, and that's my refrigerator alarming me that my door has been opened a little bit too long, but it might as well get used to that because it's going to be open for a minute. So we are about to get this video started. All right. Guys, I'm putting this paper towel in the bottom just so that it won't be so messy, you know, from the onions and whatever else I put in this here particular bin. I do try to keep this refrigerator clean as often as I can. Sometimes once every 2 weeks, and sometimes you know, once a month. But yeah, I definitely got to go through here and do the process of elimination. Got lots of vegetables that I've got to try to saute today and at least have them ready for some type of meals. Lots of fruit in here. Needs to be cleaned. And for the most part, it looks like everything is pretty nice and clean. Let's see how we're going to position all of this though. All right, guys, so I have completed my refrigerator clean out. This is the after. Hopefully everything will stay organized. You know, it's always hard keeping everything organized. My main problem is being that I'm trying to go on a no meat journey, and being that I have gone on this no meat journey, I tend to overbuy a lot of my vegetables, so it makes me have to be a little bit more mindful of buying vegetables and just not buying them just to have in the refrigerator anymore, but to buy them for a particular meal. So I'm gonna get these particular vegetables sauteed up and at least have them ready for something, so that they don't go bad. So yeah, this is the after, guys, and thank you so much for watching this clean with me video. And I am going to get my trash emptied and on to the next project. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video and any video. Thank you, and bye for now.